Dogecoin value equivalent to $0.759 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $0.675-$0.808. The earlier day close $0.801. The change was 0.42 to 33%. Reverse rate US to Doge. Dogecoin figure for July 2024. Before all else cost at $30. Excessive costs are 37, while low costs are 30. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 33. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's ends at 35. Change for July 16, 7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2024. At the outset cost at $35. Excessive costs 35, while low cost 29. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 33. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's ends at 31. Change for August 11, 4%. Dogecoin conjecture for September 2024. At the outset cost at $31. Excessive costs are 36, while low costs are 31. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 33. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's ends at 34. Change for September 9, 7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at $34. Excessive costs on 42, while low costs on 34. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 37. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's ends at 39. Change for October 14, 7%. Dogecoin figure for November 2024. Initially cost at $39. Excessive costs on 46, while low costs are 39. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 42. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's ends of 43. Change for November 10, 3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2024. Before all else cost at $43. Excessive costs on 46, while low costs on 40. The arrived at the midpoint of costs at 43. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's ends on 43. Change for December 0%. Dogecoin figure for January 2025. Before all else cost at $43. Exorbitant costs on 48, while low costs on 42. The found the middle value of cost on 45. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's ends on 45. Change for January 4, 7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2025. In the first place cost at $45. Exorbitant costs on 56, while low costs on 45. The found the middle value of costs at 50. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's ends at 52. Change for February 15, 6%. Dogecoin gauge for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at $52. Exorbitant costs of 57, while low costs on 49. The found the middle value of costs of 53. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's ends at 53. Change for spring 19%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2025. First and foremost cost at $53. Exorbitant costs on 58, while low costs are 50. The found the middle value of costs 54. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's ends of 54. Change for April 19%. Dogecoin figure for May 2025. Initially cost at $54. Excessive cost on 60, while low costs are 52. The arrived at the midpoint of costs of 56. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's ends at 56. Change for May 3, 7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2025. In the first place cost at $56. Exorbitant costs on 61, while low costs are 53. They arrived at the midpoint of costs in 57. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's ends in 57. Change for June 18%. Dogecoin conjecture for July 2025. At the outset cost at $57. Excessive cost at 63, while low costs 55. They arrived at the midpoint of costs of 59. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's ends in 59. Change for July 3, 5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2025. At the outset cost at $59. Exorbitant costs 73, while low costs are 59. The found the middle value of costs of 65. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's endpoint 68. Change for August 15, 3%. Dogecoin estimate for September 2025. First and foremost cost at $68. Exorbitant costs at 68, while low costs are 53. They found the middle value of cost on 62. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end Zen 57. Change for September 16 2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2025. At the outset cost at $0.57. Excessive costs 57, while low costs are 45. They arrived at the midpoint of costs of 52. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 48. Change for October 15.8%. Dogecoin conjecture for November 2025. At the outset cost at $48. Excessive costs and 60, while low costs are 48. They arrived at the midpoint of costs of 53. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 56. Change for November 16.7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2025. First and foremost cost at $56. Exorbitant costs are 60, while low costs are 52. They found the middle value of costs of 56. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's ends in 56. Change for December 0%. Dogecoin estimate for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $56. Exorbitant costs in 56, while low costs on 47. They found the middle value of costs of 52. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's ends of 50. Change for January 10.7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2026. Before all else cost at $0.50. Excessive costs 55, while low costs on 47. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 51. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's ends at 51. Change for February 2%. Dogecoin figure for Walk 2026. Before all else cost at $0.51. Excessive costs of 51, while low costs at 40. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 46. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's ends on 43. Change for spring 15.7%. As to Doge expectation for April 2024. At the outset cost at 5,000 coins. Excessive cost 7,692, while low 3,846. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 5,271. The S to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 4,5 of 45. Change for April 9.1%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for May 2024. In the first place cost at 4,5045 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,882, while low 3,571. They found the middle value of cost 4,461. The S to Doge gauge toward the month's end 3,8846. Change for May 15.4%. Us to Doge expectation for June 2024. In the first place cost at 3,8846 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,846, while low 3,125. They found the middle value of cost 3,5